Good afternoon, students. In today's session, this will be my second strong base session, wherein the first topic which I would like to share with you is BODMAS, the rule of BODMAS. Now, let us try to understand exactly what is the application of BODMAS. See, whenever three or more operations come simultaneously in a given problem, then we need to follow this BODMAS rule. Now, if you talk about mathematics, kids, you very well know that how many operations are involved. Yes, there are basically 4 operations are involved in maths: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes. Now, let us try to understand BODMAS means what. Here, this is what the abbreviation B stands for. Let us try to understand the brief of it. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So kids, whenever 3 or more operations come simultaneously in a given problem, then we need to follow this BODMAS rule, which is really very, very important. If you fail to follow this BODMAS rule, our answer will be wrong. Now let's try to understand how this BODMAS works with one simple example. Look at this. 25 divided by 5 multiplied by 4 plus 20 minus 5. Now if you notice this, kids, how many operations came in this question? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So students, what you will do first of all, which operation you will perform first of all? So while solving this question, we strictly need to follow the BODMAS order, wherein we don't have bracket. See this of and M, the operations are same. Of means multiplication only and M means multiplication only. But if O comes first in an order, it is to be solved first. Okay, now here bracket is not there, of is also not there, D is there, division is there. Yes kids, so we need to do division first of all. So let's do 25 divided by 5. What is your answer? Yes kids, you know the table of 5, no? Very good. 5 5s are 25. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 multiplied by 4. Let me write the remaining thing as it is. I have written the remaining numbers as it is. So what is the next step, students? In the order of BODMAS, yes, M is there. After D, M is there. So I will do the multiplication now. 5 4s are 20. Rest of the things I will write as it is. 20 plus 20 minus 5. Now what is the next step, kids? Yes, addition is there. So let's add 20 and 20, that is 20 plus 20. It is, the answer is, yes, students, 20 plus 20, what is the answer? Yes, it is 40. So 40 minus 5, the final answer is 35. So this is how we need to solve the given question by using the BODMAS rule. Let us try to understand the same concept with another example. Okay, hope you must have understood this. Look at the second example. Yes kids, here bracket has been used. 36 plus 6, these two numbers are there inside the bracket. And then division is there. Divide by 7, then plus 15 and minus 10. So what you will do? Here bracket comes first. Yes kids, so first of all we will be solving the bracket. So 36 plus 6. Few students may ask me, sir, first of all let's do the division. But that is wrong. Look at the order. BODMAS. So here in this question bracket comes first. So that's why we need to solve bracket first of all. So 36 plus 6, we will be doing the addition. So 36 plus 6, what is the answer kids? Yes, it is 42. Divide by 7 plus 15 minus 10. Yes or no? Very nice, very good. Now, according to the order, now division, addition and subtraction, these three operations left in an equation. So what you will do now? Follow the order of BODMAS. Yes, as per the order of BODMAS, we have to solve division. So 42 divided by 7. Yes, what is the answer? You know the table of 7. 7 6 are 42. So 6 plus 15 minus 10. Now as per the order, kids, you will be doing, we will have to do the addition. So 15 plus 6, what is your answer? 15 plus 6 is, yes, it's 21. 21 minus 10. Final answer is, yes, it is 11. So this is how, students, we need to deal with the sum. Whenever 3 or more operations come simultaneously in a given problem, then strictly one has to follow this BODMAS rule. Hope you must have understood this BODMAS rule in detail in brief. Okay. Now let us see the next point. In strong base, my next point is formation of tables. How to form two-digit table in detail by using few seconds, few minutes. Let's try to understand. Formation of table. Okay, if I ask you kids, how many tables do you know? Yes, few students they may tell me, sir, मुझे तो टेबल 9 तक ही आता है. Few students they may tell, sir, I know the table till 12 only. Yes or no? Students, how many tables do you know? Very rare students are there. They may tell me, sir, I know the table till 20, 30. Okay, fine, no problem. Students, it is really very, very important that as you are appearing for 5th standard scholarship examination, you have to by heart the table till 20 at least. After that you may proceed further till 30. But somehow, sometimes students, you may face difficulty in remembering the table, in forming the table. So, in order to overcome that particular difficulty, I have got one simple technique which will give us the table well in detail. Let's try to understand that particular technique. The name of the technique is, it is strong base 3 now. The name of the technique is formation of tables. Formation of tables. Now, how to form the table? Let's say I have to form a table of, say, 16. I have to form a table of 16. Few kids, you may not know the table of 16. So how will you form the table of 16? Let's try to understand. First of all, I will be writing the table of 1 here, and then I will be writing the table of 6. One table is really very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is what I wrote the table of 1 over here. Now I will be writing the table of 6 here. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are is 60. Look at this. This is the right table. Just check the values once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. Now how to form? You will ask me, sir, now how will you form the table of 16? It's very simple, kids. It's very simple. See what I am doing. You just have to club these digits. Now let us club these digits. I club this. I join these digits. 1 6. Now see students, it's a 2-digit number 12. Now from this 12, this 1 you are supposed to add it is 2. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Okay, and this leftover number, leftover digit 2, you are supposed to write it. I follow the same procedure. Okay, from this number 18, I will take the digit 1 and I will add the digit in this number 3. So this will become 3 plus 1 is 4. The leftover number 8 I will be writing as it is. Are you understanding the procedure how I am doing? Yes, very good. Again now here 2 is there, so 2 will get added in 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, I will be writing 4 as it is. The same thing here in the number 30, from number 30 I will be taking the digit 3 which will get added in 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and the remaining leftover digit is 0 which I will be writing as it is. Okay, the same procedure I will follow here. So this is what in the number 36 the 10th digit is 3 which I will be adding in 6. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. And we have to write the number 6 as it is. Okay. Similarly, this is what 4. This 4 will get added in 7. So 7 plus 4 is 11. And let's write 2 as it is. Again this 4 I will be adding in 8. 8 plus 4 is, yes, 12. And write 8 as it is. Again this 5 will get added in 9. So 9 plus 5 is 14. And take 4 as it is. Okay, very good. Here in number 16, take the digit 6 and add it in 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. And write 0 as it is. So this is how we have made the table of 16. Which is very simple. Look at this. 62 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144 and 16 tens are 160. Is this easy? Yes or no? You can also form any type of, you yourself can form any type of 2-digit number by applying the same technique. Yes, no? Kids, I hope you must have understood this technique. This technique is really very easy and you can follow the same technique to develop, to prepare, to make any type of 2-digit number. Okay, fine. Very good. Now as far as the next part is concerned, next concept is concerned, let's try to understand it. Strong base 4, which is my new technique. The name of the technique is Crisscross method of multiplication level 1. Let me erase the word. Hope you must have understood this technique, how to form a 2-digit table. This particular technique we call it as formation of tables. Okay, very nice. The next technique in my strong base is Crisscross method of multiplication. This is what the fourth technique which I am sharing with you. The name of the technique is Crisscross method of multiplication. Crisscross method of multiplication. Now you will ask me, sir, what is this technique about? See, this technique is about multiplication. This is what the Vedic Mathematics technique which I would like to share with you. Traditional multiplication you are doing since many years. Yes, third standard, fourth standard, you had learned how to multiply a 2-digit number. Let me give one simple example of traditional method only. Say 24 multiplied by 32. How we generally do the multiplication? Yes, sir, we first of all do the multiplication of the unit digit. Say for example, I will multiply 24 by 2. So this is what 4 2s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now again, I will multiply this 24 by 3, but before multiplying 24 by 3, we will put 0 or a cross mark over here, and I shall multiply 24 by 3. 4 3s are 12. 2, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now sir, what we will do? We will add these numbers. So what is this? This is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, and this is 7. Answer is 768. But students, this is what the traditional method which you are following since many years. Yes or no? So this method we are not going to follow now. We have got crisscross method of multiplication. Now how it works? Let's try to understand. I will take the same example. Look at this, kids, what I am doing. First of all, consider the unit digits. Unit digits. Yes or no? At the units place, which number we have? 4 and 6. So do the multiplication, vertical multiplication. 4 2s are 8. Then do the crosswise multiplication, kids. See how? 2 2s are 4. Take 4 in mind. Okay, 4 3s are 12. So 12 plus 4 is what, kids? 12 plus 4 is 16. Very good. So write 6 as it is and carry 1 over here. Now consider the tens digit. Now in tens digit we have the numbers 3 and 2. Get the multiplication of 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus, in that 6 add 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. My answer is 768. Look at this. Is it matching with the previous answer? Yes, it is matching. So this is how we can follow. We can make use of the crisscross method of multiplication. Hope you must have understood this particular method. Let me illustrate this same method with another example. Okay, let's try to understand the same method with another example. Yes, let me erase the board first of all. The next example, yes kids, 64 multiplied by, say 64 multiplied by 72. Now traditional method all you know. I would like to explain the crisscross method of multiplication. So as I told just now, we have to consider first of all the unit digits. Look at this. At the unit place what we have is the number 4 2. 4 2s are 8. Get the multiplication. Now do the crosswise multiplication like 6 2s are right here. 6 2s are 12. This 12 we should keep it in our mind. So 6 2s are 12 and 7 4s are 28. Yes or no, kids? So 12 plus 28 is what? It is 40. 40. So 40 ka take 0 over here and carry 4. Okay. Now think about the tens digit. In tens digit we have 6 and 7. Get the multiplication of 6 and 7. 6 7s are, yes, 6 7s are 42. 42 we have to add 4. So 42 plus 4 is what? Yes, it is 46. Yes or no? So our answer is 4608. 4608. This is how this crisscross method works. See, for your reference, students, kids, I would like to share the steps of this particular crisscross method level 1. Let's try to understand those steps also. Let me show you the steps. You can also have a note of this, or you can have a snapshot of these steps so that you can also implement the same steps while doing your multiplication calculation. Look at the steps. The steps are very simple. See, these are let's suppose these are the 4 digits. First of all, we have to consider the multiplication of units place. Okay, this is the first step. At the second step, students, kids, we need to do the crosswise multiplication like this. And in the third step, kids, we are supposed to do the multiplication of the tens digit. Okay, first step what I did, get the multiplication of unit digit. At the second step, we need to do the crosswise multiplication. And at the third step, we have to get the multiplication of the digits which are there at the tens place. This is how one has to follow these steps to solve the question by crisscross method of multiplication. I hope you must have understood whatever techniques which I taught to you in the form of strong base in today's lecture. Further techniques will be discussed in my next video. So please enjoy. Please do like, share to my YouTube channel and enjoy the different types of techniques of scholarship exam. Thank you very much.